In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed PDFs in Obsidian so you can view full documents right inside your notes without ever opening a separate window. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open Obsidian and navigate to the vault where you want to work. Then, head over to your computer's file manager and locate the PDF you want to add. You'll want that file ready to go before you create your note. Now, either open an existing note or create a new one that will contain the PDF. Click inside the note and place your cursor exactly where you want the document to appear. Here's the simplest method. Just drag the PDF file from your file manager directly into the note. Obsidian will automatically import a copy of it into your vault. Take a quick look at your File Explorer pane to confirm the PDF has been uploaded and now lives inside your vault. You'll notice that Obsidian has generated a link to the file. The syntax here is key. Embedded files use an exclamation mark before the link, so it looks like this: exclamation mark, 2 square brackets, the file name, and then 2 closing square brackets, like exclamation mark, bracket, bracket, filename.pdf, close bracket, close bracket. If you prefer to type it manually, just type the exclamation mark followed by 2 opening brackets and start typing the file name. Obsidian will show you a suggestion list. Select the correct PDF from that list and press Enter to insert the embed. Now switch to Reading View or Live Preview to see the PDF actually appear inside your note. You should be able to scroll through the embedded document and review multiple pages without leaving Obsidian. If you need to see it better, simply adjust the pane size to give the PDF more room. And if you ever need to open the PDF directly, just click on it and it will open in Obsidian's built-in PDF reader. I'd recommend creating a dedicated folder like PDFs or attachments and storing related documents together to keep your vault organized. You can embed multiple PDFs in the same note to create a centralized research hub. Be sure to add context around each embed, insert notes, summaries, or headings above the PDF to explain what the document is and why it matters. This technique is perfect for project notes where you need to keep contracts, reports, or specifications close at hand. If you use Obsidian across different devices, test your navigation to confirm the PDF loads correctly everywhere. Once you get comfortable, you can build a complete document reference system using embedded PDFs in research databases, project dashboards, and knowledge bases, keeping every important document instantly accessible within your Obsidian workflow. That's how you embed PDFs in Obsidian. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.